Hello बच्चों, good afternoon. I'm in this video we will discuss about the solution of application of integral. The previous video lecture of this chapter related to the concept and introduction of this chapter. That is the name of this chapter is application of integral. Now in this video I am going to solve exercise 8.1 from NCERT textbook. So let's proceed this video. I am going to take the first question of the exercise 8.1. The first question is state that find the area of the region bounded by the curve of y square is equal to x and the line area of the curve bounded by the curve की इक्वेशन है y square is equal to x and the line x equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 and for the x axis in the first quadrant. So first I am going to draw the curve of this parabola. Y square is equal to x. For the negative and positive value of y, x is always positive. So the parabola of this region graph can be drawn. This is your origin, this is your x axis and this is y axis. तो पहचानते कैसे हैं कि y की हम पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव वैल्यू लें तो उस केस में x का पॉजिटिव ही होगा और फिर क्या बोल रहा है x is equal to 1 that is this is the point x is equal to 1 and this is the point x is equal to 4 1 2 3 4. So we have to find out the area of this region. हमें इस रीजन का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है और ये क्या क्या है एरिया अंडर द कर्व y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू x ये कर्व हो गया लिमिटिंग वैल्यू विद इन द लाइन x इज इक्वल टू 1 to x इक्वल टू 4 एंड x एक्सिस ये हमारा एक्सिस हो गया. तो हमको इस एरिया का क्या करना है जो हमारे साइडेड रीजन है उनका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. सो टू रिक्वायर्ड and we know how we can find out the area of this region. Let's a street perpendicular or vertical strip of with dx. Let a vertical strip of dx and the function is y square is equal to x or y equal to root x plus minus in the sugar. This is the case of first quadrant and first quadrant all the value of positive. So curve y is equal to root x within the limit. So required area is equal to interior over 1 to 4 or curve is root x dx. In the beginning class, in the very first class, we were discussed about all these things, how we can find out the area of the sided region by taking the vertical strip or by taking horizontal strip and how we can get the our integration coefficient dx and dy. So by solving this quantity यहाँ पे कर देते हैं ये हो जाएगा आपका इंटीग्रेशन of 1 to 2 x to the power 1 by 2 dx और x to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 to the power 1 and 4 by 2 to the value of 2 by 3 4 to the power 3 by 3 minus 1 to the power of something that is we get the value of 1 also 2 by 3 4 can be written as 2 square 2 square is 2 to the power of 8 minus 1 ये हो जाएगा 14 by 3. So your final answer is 14 by 3. Okay. So let's move towards our next question. Pause the video and note this question. Now moving forward to the next question, question number 2. Find the area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 9x, y square is equal to 9x, and the line x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4, and also the x axis in the first quadrant. This question is similar to the question number first. So for the negative and positive value of y, x is positive. So this parabola is also can be drawn in a similar way. Now the point is x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 4. So draw this line and also draw this line. So we have to find out this region, this sided region. We have to find out the area of this region, and this region includes by the line x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 4, x axis and area under the curve y equal to 9x. So in this case, taking the strip, either your strip is vertical or horizontal, is not necessarily in every question. So you understand the process of finding the, how we can find out the sided region with the help of integral. So if you take the vertical strip or we take horizontal strip. Horizontal strip in this case is not possible. So by taking only vertical strip and whose width is dx. So dx is our इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, या उसी के रेस्पेक्ट हम क्या करेंगे, इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. तो यहाँ से हम फाइनल कंक्लूजन लिख देते हैं. यहाँ आएगा कि रिक्वायर्ड एरिया ऑफ साइडेड रीजन ये हो जाएगा आपका लिमिट 2 to 4, और हमारा फंक्शन क्या किया, वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9x. ये हो जाएगा वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 3 रूट एक्स. एंड सिंस दिस केस इज रिलेटेड टू द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सो बाय एज्यूमिंग, बाय टेकिंग ओनली पॉजिटिव साइड, द वैल्यू इज 3 बार हो जाएगा रूट एक्स अंदर विद रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. ओके, सो बाय सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन वी गेट 3. You also x to the power 3 by 2 and into 2 by 3 integration of 2 to 4. So इससे 3 कैंसिल, ये हो जाएगा आपका 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 to the power 3 by 2. By solving this, finally we get our final answer. Moving forward to the next question. Coming back to our question number 3. Find the area of the region bounded by x square is equal to 4y, y equal to 2, y equal to 4, and the y-axis in the very first quadrant. So area, equation of the curve, equation of curve y square is equal to 4y. Equation of line is y equal to 2 and y equal to 4 and y-axis. So foundation is that the required area is lies between under the curve y square is equal to 4y and the equation of line is y equal to 2, y equal to 4 and y-axis. So try to draw this situation on plane. First of all, I am going to draw this curve y square is equal to 4y. X is equal to 4y. For the negative and positive value of x, y is positive. So the graph is this. Now the equation of line is y equal to 2. So we take 0, 1 and 2. this point indicated y equal to 2. This is the line. And 3 and 4. This equation, this line indicated y equal to 4. And this is your y axis. This is the x axis and this is your origin. So according to question, the required area is y axis, equation y equal to 2, y equal to 4, and area under the curve. This is the required area which is to be find out by using application of integral या इंटीग्रेशन. ठीक है, देखो आप ये कर लोगे तो यहाँ से देखो क्या होगा, रिक्वायर्ड एरिया, ये होगा आपका इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व इज गिवन दैट. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, अगर हम इसमें स्ट्रिप लेते तो कैसा होगा? आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रिप एंड द विड्थ ऑफ द स्ट्रिप इज dy. तो जब आप dy लोगे तो आपका फंक्शन x के फॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म होगा. ठीक है, अगर आप स्ट्रिप dx लेते हो आपका फंक्शन y के फॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म होगा. तो आप देखो x इज इक्वल टू 4y है, x इज इक्वल टू 4y, x इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, प्लस माइनस 2y होगा, क्योंकि बात हम कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट की. सो दिस सिचुएशन इज ओनली इन लाइन इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, तो ओनली पॉजिटिव साइड इज टू बी टेकन. तो रिक्वायर्ड साइडेड रीजन क्या होता है? इंटीग्रेशन ओवर 2 to 4 y dy and x dy, sorry, so 2 y dy. And by solving and by putting the limit value, we get our actual value of this sided region. ये छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन हैं, इन क्वेश्चन को आप खुद से करिए कैलकुलेटिंग प्रोसेस का. हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं या फिर एक स्टेप में और इसको सॉल्व कर देता हूँ. ये हो जाएगा 2 बाहर ले लो, x to the power y to the power 3/2 upon 3/2 and 2 to 4. तो 3/2 डेट इज ऊपर आएगा तो 2/3 हो जाएगा और y की जगह अपर लिमिट 4 minus 2 to the power 3/2. So move forward towards our next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. Find the area of the region. This is the ellipse. And the equation of given ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. So this equation can also be written as x square by 4 square, y square by 3 square is equal to 1. So this is your origin and the coordinate of this point is 4 0. This is 0 3. This is minus 4 and 0 and 0 minus 3. सेमी मेजर एक्सिस सेमी माइनर एक्सिस आपने इक्वेशन ऑफ एलिप्स से पढ़ा होगा कैसे कैसे वैल्यू आ रही है. तो बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन बोला फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रीजन बाउंडेड बाय द एलिप्स. मतलब ये पूरा एरिया हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. इस पूरे प्लेट पे एलिप्स के द्वारा सेक्टोरियल एरिया पूरा फाइंड आउट करना है. अच्छा एक बात बताइए, पूरा पॉइंट 1 2 3 4 ये 4 पार्ट है, चारों पार्ट आपस में इक्वल होते हैं. मैं अगर एक का रीजन फाइंड आउट कर लूँ और उसका 4 टाइम कर दूँ तो पूरा एलिप्स साइडेड रीजन निकल जाएगा. तो मैं वही प्रोसेस करने जा रहा हूँ. दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. So I'm going to take this part and after getting the value of this part by taking 4 times we have to find out the area, all the area enclosed by this ellipse on the plane. Okay, so by taking a vertical strip in this question and the width of this strip is dx. Okay, so transform this whole equation in the form of y, because if you are taking y dx, you get in the form of equation y into dx. So transform this given equation in the form of y. So it is written as y square by 9 is equal to 1 minus x square by 16 or we can write that y equal to 16 minus x square by 16, या आप 9 को यहाँ भेज दो, 16 को नीचे लिख दो, ये भी हो जाएगा। तो एक स्टेप आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9 by 16 ब्रैकेट 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, या y इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 3/4 रूट 4 स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। So this case is actual belong to the first quadrant. So by adopting only positive sign, so integrate this whole term within the limit x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4. Now find out the area of this region by taking the limit s y equal to 0, x is equal to 2 to x equal to 4. So area is equal to 3/4. Integration over 0 to 4. Root 4 square minus x square dx, and by taking 4 time we get the required area covered by this ellipse. 4 into 3/4, 4 into one part, that is we get the area required by this whole ellipse, and this is the form, this integral is in the form of root a square minus x square dx. इंटीग्रेशन ये होता है x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus, ओके। ये आपका हो गया ऐसे। तो इस क्वेश्चन में भी आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला, एंड बाय पुटिंग द लिमिट वैल्यू, we get the calculative part of this question. So move question number 5 is similar to the question number 4. This is also a case of ellipse also. So I am going to solve the next question, question number 6. So this is all about, and this is the end of this video lecture. The next 6 questions will be solved in our next video. Thank you very much.